How are you? I hope you are all by the grace of Almighty. You know that COVID-19 has affected the world severely. For that reason, our general class are seriously impaired. So our government has taken another way. That is our government has taken the help of the online class. For that reason, I have stood here for online classes. My dear students, I welcome you all to my class. This is for class 9 and 10. I am Mohammad Mahmoud Rashid, assistant teacher, Nindupur M. K. Alamgir High School and College, Kochua, Chandpur. Today, I will discuss an important grammar, and the name of the grammar is narration. Narration. First of all, we should introduce what is narration. Here I have written already. Narration means in Bangla ukti. That is boktar boktobboki narration bole. In another way you can say that narration means activity of telling or writing account of the events or account of events. We may report the words of the speaker in two ways. They are direct and indirect narration. That is, বক্তার বক্তব্যকে আমরা দুই ভাবে উপস্থাপন করতে পারি। আমি যখন বক্তার বক্তব্য কোনো পরিবর্তন না করে হুবহু তোমাদের সামনে উপস্থাপন করব, বক্তা যেভাবে বলেছে ঠিক সেভাবে, এটা হলো ডাইরেক্ট নারেশন। আর বক্তার বক্তব্যটা যদি আমি আমার নিজের মতো করে তোমাদের সামনে উপস্থাপন করি, সেটাকে বলা হয় ইনডাইরেক্ট নারেশন। In English, direct speech or direct narration means the words actually spoken by the speaker. Indirect speech means the meaning of what the narrator reports. আমি আবার বলছি, বক্তার বক্তব্য কোনো পরিবর্তন না করে আমি যদি সরাসরি তোমাদের সামনে উপস্থাপন করে দিই, this is called the direct narration. আর বক্তার বক্তব্য পরিবর্তন করে অর্থটা যদি আমার নিজের ভাষায় তোমার সামনে উপস্থাপন করি, সেটাকে বলা হয় ইনডাইরেক্ট নারেশন। ডাইরেক্ট নারেশনের মধ্যে দুইটা অংশ থাকে। ইন ডাইরেক্ট নারেশন there are two parts. Number one, reporting verb and reported speech. In short, I can introduce with you. If I write he said to me, I am ill. This is the example of direct narration. This one is reporting verb and this one is reported speech. In a short, I can say before comma and inverted comma, this is called the reporting verb, and in inverted comma, this is the reported speech. For changing narration from direct to indirect, first of all, we should know how can we change the persons of the direct narration. Now, I will discuss about it. Change of person. In reported speech, if the person is first person, then it will follow the subject of the reporting verb. If it is first person, follow the subject of the reporting verb. If it is second, that is so. He told me that. Now, I is the example of first person. I will follow the subject of the reporting verb. Here the subject is he. That is, I will be he. Sorry. He told me that he was ill. Here, I would like to mention that here we have changed the persons and we have also changed the tense. How this tense changed, I will discuss it in the next time. So, I is the example of first person and I followed the subject of the reporting verb. Then, if the person is second person, then it will follow the object of the reporting verb. I am giving you an example. He said to me. He said to me, you are my friend. That is, here the subject is you and it is the example of second person. Now it will be, as it is second person, it will follow the object of the reporting verb. Here the object is me. So I can say you will follow me. He told me that. You will follow me. So the subject of me is I. So he told me that I was his friend. And my is the example of first person, then it also followed the subject of the reporting verb. So, we have already known, if the person is first person, it will follow the subject of the reporting verb. If it is second person, it will follow the object of the reporting verb. And on the other hand, if it is third person, then it will not be changed. He said to me, he was ill. So here the person is third person. So we can write that he told me that. If it is third person, it will not be changed. So he told me that he had been ill. Come now. If I summarize it, for changing person, if the persons of the reported speech is first person, it will follow the subject of the reporting verb. If it is second person, it will follow the object of the reporting verb. If it is third person, it will not be changed. So my dear students, I hope you will practice this attentively. If you are unable to understand something, then you will contact with me on mobile phone. And the next time I will discuss how can the tense of the narration will be changed. Till then, I hope you will stay better. Thank you all.